In 2011, relying on its technology expertise in zirconia, fine ceramic, mechanic engineering, and leveraging the features of dental industry, Shangtong founded XTcera Medical Technology Company Limited. It specializes in research, development, and manufacture of zirconia blocks, cobalt premium soft metals, wax, X-color shading system, X-mill dental milling machines. Besides which, we also provided 3D scanners, laser metal solutions, milling burrs, and research and development of chairside CAD and CAM system. XTcera is now becoming the only one-stop digital dental solution provider in the dental industry. Major products of the company have all been certified according to SFDA and CE. XTcera dental zirconia blocks are well recognized by thousands of laboratories, 20,000 dental clinics, as well as millions of patients. X-mill dental milling machine has become a hot sale in the digital dental machine category. XTcera is the most famous one-stop provider of CAD and CAM full contour dental processor solutions and a leader of digitalized dental products.